The title of these video is 9 Stunning Money Secrets Millionaires Won't Tell You. Money, wealth, and financial success are aspirations that many individuals harbor, yet only a select few truly unlock the secrets to achieving them. While millionaires may not openly share their financial strategies, there are hidden insights and practices that have contributed to their prosperity. These are the stunning money secrets that can significantly impact your financial journey. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore 9 stunning money secrets that millionaires often keep to themselves. These secrets encompass a range of financial principles, practices, and mindsets that have propelled many millionaires to financial success. Whether you're just beginning your financial journey or seeking to enhance your existing wealth, understanding and implementing these secrets can profoundly improve your financial prospects. Building wealth is a long-term endeavor that requires commitment, patience, and adaptability. However, by uncovering and applying these 9 stunning money secrets, you can set yourself on a path to secure your financial future and achieve the financial independence you desire. Without further ado, let's delve into the 9 stunning money secrets that millionaires often keep close to their chests. Secret number 1. The power of compound interest. The first stunning money secret that millionaires harness is the power of compound interest. While this concept may seem basic, it's a financial principle that can work wonders over time. Compound interest involves earning interest not only on your initial investment, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. Understanding compound interest and starting to invest early can make a significant difference in your long-term financial success. By consistently contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA and allowing your investments to grow over time, you can fully utilize the potential of compound interest. Secret number 2. The abundance mindset. An abundance mindset is a stunning money secret that sets millionaires apart from those who struggle with their finances. Instead of focusing on limitations or scarcity, millionaires cultivate a mindset that centers on opportunities, possibilities, and abundance. This abundance mindset enables millionaires to view the world through a different lens. They are more likely to take calculated risks, seek out opportunities, and believe in their ability to create wealth. This shift in mindset often serves as the catalyst for achieving financial success. Secret number 3. Strategic investment approaches. Strategic investing is a stunning money secret that millionaires employ to systematically grow their wealth. While investing is a well-known path to financial growth, millionaires often go beyond conventional methods and adopt advanced strategies. These strategies may include investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, startups, and other asset classes. Millionaires frequently diversify their portfolios to minimize risk while maximizing returns. They also grasp the importance of asset allocation, risk tolerance, and long-term planning. Secret number 4. Multiple income streams. The concept of multiple income streams is a stunning money secret that millionaires employ to create financial stability and enhance their wealth. Instead of relying on a single source of income, they diversify their earnings through various means, such as side businesses, investments, rental properties, or passive income sources. Having multiple income streams provides a safety net and accelerates the journey to financial independence. Whether it involves generating rental income from real estate investments, earning dividends from stocks, or running a profitable side business, having multiple income sources can be a game changer. Secret number 5. The power of networking and relationships. Networking and cultivating strong relationships are stunning money secrets that millionaires leverage to access valuable opportunities, insights, and resources. These connections can open doors to job opportunities, partnerships, mentorships, and even investment opportunities. Investing time in expanding your network, attending industry events, and nurturing relationships with colleagues, mentors, and peers can be instrumental in your financial journey. These connections can provide invaluable support, guidance, and access to opportunities that contribute to financial success. Secret number 6. The secret of leverage. Leverage is a stunning money secret that millionaires use to amplify their wealth-building efforts. It involves using borrowed funds or other people's money, OPM, to invest in income-generating assets or opportunities. While leverage carries risks, when used wisely, it can accelerate wealth accumulation. For example, taking out a mortgage to purchase a rental property that generates rental income can be a prudent use of leverage. Similarly, entrepreneurs often use OPM to fund and grow their businesses, leveraging their expertise to attract investors. Secret number 7. The impact of smart tax planning. Smart tax planning is a stunning money secret that can significantly affect your wealth-building efforts. Understanding the tax code and employing legal tax strategies can help reduce your tax liability, leaving you with more money to save and invest. Tax-efficient investment strategies, such as contributing to tax-advantaged retirement accounts or using tax loss harvesting techniques, can lead to substantial savings over time. Millionaires often consult with tax professionals to optimize their financial plans and minimize their tax burden. Secret number 8. The role of continuous learning. Continuous learning is a stunning money secret that millionaires embrace to stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of finance and business. They understand that the landscape of investments, technology, and opportunities is constantly changing, and they adapt accordingly. Investing in your education and staying informed about financial trends, market developments, and investment strategies can give you a competitive edge. Whether it's reading books, attending workshops, or seeking advice from financial experts, continuous learning is a key component of financial success. Secret number 9. The art of philanthropy. Philanthropy is a stunning money secret that millionaires often embrace not only as a means of giving back, but also as a way to achieve fulfillment and purpose. Engaging in charitable activities and supporting causes you believe in can lead to personal satisfaction and positive social impact. Allocating a portion of your wealth or time to charitable endeavors can create a sense of purpose and leave a lasting legacy. Whether you donate money, volunteer, or establish a charitable foundation, giving back can enrich your life while making a meaningful difference in the world. Conclusion. Building wealth is a multifaceted journey that requires a combination of financial strategies, mindset shifts, and a commitment to lifelong learning. The 9 stunning money secrets discussed in this comprehensive guide offer valuable insights into the world of millionaires and their approaches to financial success. As you embark on your own journey to financial independence, remember that there is no one-size-fits-all approach. These secrets should be tailored to your unique circumstances, financial goals, and risk tolerance. Stay proactive, committed to your objectives, and patient, as wealth accumulation often takes time. Incorporate these stunning money secrets into your financial strategy and maintain a focused, long-term perspective. By doing so, you can increase your chances of achieving financial freedom, securing your future, and enjoying the life you desire. Ultimately, building wealth is not just about accumulating assets. It's about achieving peace of mind, financial independence, and a fulfilling life. The stunning money secrets presented here can help you unlock the doors to financial success and embark on a journey to a brighter financial future. The title of these video is 9 Stunning Money Secrets Millionaires Won't Tell You. Money, wealth, and financial success are aspirations that many individuals harbor, yet only a select few truly unlock the secrets to achieving them. While millionaires may not openly share their financial strategies, there are hidden insights and practices that have contributed to their prosperity. These are the stunning money secrets that can significantly impact your financial journey. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore